Hello friends, let us now learn about some important points about two separate triangles which are often confused by many medical students. That is, we have one triangle is cholecystohepatic triangle. We have cholecystohepatic triangle and we also have something called as Callet's triangle. Many medical students get confused between these two triangles. So first we will see the boundaries of cholecystohepatic triangle. This cholecystohepatic triangle, it is formed superiorly by the lower surface of the liver. It is formed superiorly by the lower surface of the liver here, and on the right side it is formed by the, or on the medial side it is formed by the left hepatic duct and common hepatic duct. This is left hepatic duct and this is common hepatic duct. Okay, it is formed by the common hepatic duct. You can tell that it is formed by the common hepatic duct on the left, and medially. See, this is medially, this is laterally, this is superiorly. Superiorly it is formed by liver, medially it is formed by the common hepatic duct, and laterally or below, you can tell it as below it is formed by the cystic duct and also the gallbladder. Cystic duct and the gallbladder. Though you do not need to remember medially, superiorly and laterally, just remember the boundaries. It is formed by the liver and it is formed by the common hepatic duct, and here it is formed, the other boundary is it is formed by the cystic duct and the gallbladder. So this is cholecystohepatic triangle. Okay, this cholecystohepatic triangle contains the cystic artery as one of the content. Okay, and it also has lymph node of Lund is also present in this cholecystohepatic triangle. We have a lymph node here which is almost here, and this is lymph node of Lund. Then if you see about the Callet's triangle, Callet's triangle is formed by the common hepatic duct on one side, common bile duct on the other side, and cystic artery above. This small triangular space here, this is called as Callet's triangle. So Callet's triangle is a part of cholecystohepatic triangle. So Callet's triangle is formed by common hepatic duct, common bile duct on one side, and above by the cystic artery. Okay, so this is about the two important triangles which are often confused. So we should also learn the lengths of these ducts, which is also important. Common hepatic duct is around 2.5 centimeters in length. Sorry, you can't see, right? Common hepatic duct is 2.5 centimeters in length. And if you see the common bile duct, it is 7.5 centimeters in length. Cystic duct is 3 centimeters in length. Right? Now, if you see, this liver produces bile, and the bile which is produced by the liver is at the rate of 40 milliliters per hour. Liver produces bile at the rate of 40 milliliters per hour, and this gallbladder stores around 25 to 30 ml of bile and produces 20 ml per day of mucus. It also produces 20 ml per day of mucus, and it helps in concentrating the bile. So these are the two important things and some functional anatomy related to the surgery. Thank you for watching my lecture. Thank you.